Hello and welcome to my unboxing video of the Syma X8C Venture. Now, I wasn't completely sure that I wanted to get this drone because I thought it might be a little too much like the Syma X5C, but as soon as I open the box you can see it's quite a bit more substantial than the X5C. It does come with the same cheap 2 megapixel camera, but other than that, it's really completely different, and I think you'll see why. I like this new and improved white and red trim controller. It's a little better than the X5C controller. I thought it would operate the X5C. Unfortunately, it doesn't. At least it doesn't bond with mine. It comes with a cheap card reader and the built-in 2 megapixel card if you're going to use the stock camera. Mine didn't work, but I wasn't planning on using it anyway. And it comes with a 7.4 volt, 2000 milliamp, 25C battery. And it also comes with a cheap but surprisingly effective charger. It does work a little slow, but it does work. It comes with a full set of props, which is always a good thing to have. And it does require a little bit of assembly. You'll have to put the props on and put the little caps on as well as screw in the landing gear, which, as you see, is simple enough to do. And then just wait for a calm day to fly, which is what I always do. Alright, we got like a perfect day here to launch this X8C with the 808 keychain camera hooked up. Alright, let's see how it goes closer to the edge. It's just a perfect day here, really. Have a little bit of wind, tiny bit of wind blowing from the east, which is better than a western wind. So we got the camera pointed a little downward. See if we can bring it back this way now. It's descending very nicely. Put it in high gear. And put it back in low. Again. I'm trying to use the wind to my advantage, if possible.
bird. I don't think he wants any part of us. Push the range too far. You know, I have it pinned all the way forward. It's still moving nice. It's really great for a shooting camera because normally when you have it pinned all the way up like this, the quad will basically point downwards. And this is still giving me like a nice angle for shooting video. Let's see if we can get a nice shot of the dunes. If I put it in high gear, I'm sure it'll start moving a lot quicker, which I'll show you. There it goes. Wind it back this way, I'll put it back in low. Alright. I don't want to go too close to the water. Oh, there's my timer. It's been about 7 minutes. I think the running time is like a maximum of 8 or 9. Of course, I got my own camera, its own battery supply, so that might increase it. But yeah, very, very nice camera drone. I wouldn't take this out just for the fun of it. This is more, it's kind of serious. You have to register it. Which is not a big deal. Just go to the FAA website and give them your information. But I'm going to try and land it here, hopefully without messing it up too much. Come on. Oh, Nelly. I'm going to get away from that loose sand. You know, some of this tighter sand. Nice and gentle. There we go. Perfect. Alright, so there you have it, the Syma X8C out of the box, brand new. Beautiful camera drone with the 808 keychain camera. Can't wait to see